Good morning students, I am Daniel, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. In this video class, I am going to teach you the problem related to PDA, push down automata. Okay. So last video class I taught you what is the definition of PDA and what are the tuples we have or parameters present inside the PDA. That is capital Q, PDA capital Q, comma, sigma, comma, delta, comma, rho, comma, Q0, comma, rho, comma, Q0, comma, F. Right? These are the tuples present inside the PDA. See, let's check. This is the problem. Construct PDA. We want to construct PDA. So if we want to construct PDA, these tuples should be there. What is capital Q? Finite set of states. See, they are given states Q1, Q2. Two states are given. What is sigma? Finite set of input symbol. See, three input symbols are given 0, 1, C. What is delta? Transition function. See, this is the transition function. Okay, I told you transition function should be like a delta of Q, comma, X, comma, A equal to or some input equal to Q1, comma, A. Okay, this is the model of syntax of transition function. That is state, comma, stack symbol, comma, input symbol equal to input symbol, state, comma, input symbol. This is the method of PDA transition function. I told you I taught you in the previous class. Okay, so all the parameters should be given. See, what is row? Stack symbol. What are the stack symbol? R, B, G. This is the stack symbol. And delta should be given by transition function. Q0 starting state. See, Q1 is the starting state. And what is F? That is an accepting state. And another one, start of the stack. Okay, one more tuple, that is start of the stack. I can mention Z0, start of the stack. Okay, right. Okay, so this this parameter they are given like this, and they are asking to construct PDA. So solution, how the method is, first we want to take starting state, right? Let us, what is the starting state? Q1. So Q1, comma, what string they are asking to given. This is the string they are asking to solve. So Q1, comma, that string we have to write 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, C, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Q1, comma, the string, comma, and start of the stack is R. Okay, that R should be right here. So this is the first step we have to take. State, comma, this is the input, comma, and one start of the stack. Right? Now we have to check Q1, 0, R in this transition diagram. Transition function. What is Q1, 0, R? Whether it is there? Yes. Q1, 0, R. That is equal to Q1, BR. Okay, Q1, BR. See, this we have to check Q1, 0, R. That is equal to Q1, BR. You have to understand the concept here. See, R is there. Like already in the previous class I thought you know, this is stack symbol, this is stack, this is input, and this is the algorithm. There is state. Okay, so inside the stack R is there, and 0 input is there, and state is Q1, right? This is the model we have. See, already inside the stack R is there, and 0 is pushed into the stack, like converted into B and pushed into the stack. Clear? See, Q1, 0, R. So what is the Q1, 0, R? This is the transition function. So what is the result? State Q1, R already is there. This 0 is pushed into the stack, like converting into B. Clear? So I am going to write Q1, 0, R, state Q1. So Q1 is there, and this 0 pop from the input. From the input it is popped and pushed into the stack. 0 R or BR. Okay, 0 is converted into B and is pushed into the stack. Right? So Q1, comma, the 0 pop from the input. Okay, so 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, C, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, comma. This 0 pushed into the stack and converted into B. So it is like BR. Clear? Okay. So this is the very critical thing you have to understand. Q1, 0, R. Q1, 0, R. Q1, BR. Now Q1, 0, B. Q1, 0, B. So Q1, 0, B is there. See, Q1, 0, B. See, inside the stack B is there, like BR. B is there, and this 0 is pushed into the stack because B already is there. Again 0 is pushed into the stack, it converted into BB. So like Q1, this pop from the stack 1 0 1 0 C 0 1 0 1 0 0 and BBR because the 0 pop from this input pushed into the stack converted into B like this. Again I will check Q1 1B, Q1 1B. So Q1 1B is there, yes, Q1 1B. See, B already is there and this 1 converted into G and pushed into the stack. So Q1 1G is Q1 comma 0 1 0 C 0 1 0 1 0 0 GB, right? So G B B R. Clear? Again I have to check Q1 0 G, Q1 0 G. Whether Q1 0 G is there, whether Q1 0 G is there, yes, Q1 0 G. That is B already there and G already there, B is pushed into the stack. So like converted into Q1, state also Q1, right? Q1 1 0 C 0 1 0 1 0 0 comma B is pushed into the stack. So Q1 0 G, right? So it is there. So BG, B G B B R. Okay. Now Q1 1B, Q1 1B. So Q1 1B is there, Q1 1B. Q1 1B, Q1 is there, so this pop from the stack. So Q1 comma 0 C 0 1 0 1 0 0 comma Q1 1B, Q1 1B, it is there. So G is pushed into the stack. So GB, GB, BR. Now Q1 0 G, Q1 0 G, Q1 0 G, already B is there. Okay, so it is B is there, 0 G is there, the B is pushed into the stack. So Q1 comma C 0 1 0 1 0 0 comma B, BG, BG, BB R. Okay, now again check Q1 0 B. Where is Q1 0 B? It is there, Q1 0 B. B already there, this 0 is pushed into the stack. So now Q1 comma 0 B already there, B is pushed into the stack, right? So Q1 comma Q1, sorry, it is not Q1 CB, Q1 CB, it is there, Q1 CB. State is converted into Q2, so Q2 and C is popped from the stack 0 1 0 1 0 0. The C is already B is there, but C doesn't push or pop, so no change. Okay, only this you have to understand. Already B is there, the 0 push or pop, nothing should be happen because no BB, no GB, etc. So same thing will be repeat like this, BB, GB, BR. Again Q2 0B, Q2 0B is there, epsilon means pop from the stack. So now Q2 comma, the 0 pop 1 0 1 0 0 comma, this B pop from the stack, GB, GB, BR. Okay, again Q2 1G, Q2 1G is there, Q2 1G, where Q2 is, it is there. So state Q2 and this 1 pop from the input 0 1 0 0 comma and this G pop from the stack, BBR. Why this G pop from the stack? Because it is epsilon, epsilon means pop from the stack. Okay, now Q2 0B, Q2 0B, where it is, here it is, Q2 0B. So this is epsilon, so pop from the stack. So Q2 1 0 0 comma GB, BR. Now Q2 1G, Q2 1G is there, it is also pop. So Q2 comma 0 0 comma BBR, BBR. Now Q2 0B, Q2 0B, Q2 epsilon. So Q2 comma 0 comma BR. Now Q2 0B, again Q2 comma epsilon comma R. Okay, now finally Q2 comma epsilon comma R. Whether Q2 comma epsilon comma R is there? Yes, equal to Q2 comma epsilon. So Q2 comma epsilon. Finally we will get Q2 comma epsilon. So Q2 is an accepting state. The problem they are given, Q2 is an accepting state. So no problem. And epsilon means all the inputs are popped from the stack. So we popped from the stack. Okay, so we will say this is as accepted. This PDA is accepted for this input stream. Clear? So this you have to understand the concept. First we have to take initial state and the stream, then the start of the stack. Then we have to compare this three. Okay, then if it is, if you see R, BR means R is already there, the 0 is pushed into the stack and converted into B. See example, B is already there, 0 is converted, pushed into the stack, converted into B. So this idea should be clear. G is already there, this 1 is converted into G and pushed into the stack. Okay, here what is the thing? Epsilon means pop from the stack, and state also change. See Q1, CB, nothing should be pushed and pop, only B, 1B is there, and state should be changed as Q2. Okay, so this is the way of doing the problem. Another string I have given in your notes, another string also given. You have to check it and do it from your home. Okay, work out lot of problem that's in your Xerox. So you have to work out, and this is a very important problem. Thank you.